Just Buggin.
Hey guys, it's Dom. So basically in this video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys a little bit behind the scenes on how I make the Just Buggin videos here on our channel. So of course, get an SD card reader, plug your SD card in, plug it into your computer, drag the footage off onto your computer, open whatever editing software you're planning on using. And for instance, I use iMovie. So I could be using Adobe Premiere Pro, which later on down the line, I'll integrate into that. I was working on Windows for the beginning of doing these Just Buggin videos, and I was using a program called Shotcut, which is free. I'll leave that down in the description. So basically what I do for editing is, I'm 13 minutes and 34 seconds so far in this video. This is our next Pee-wee video. It's on the swing axle transmission refresh. So basically at the beginning of the video, you just got the intro, and then you got, of course, my dad talking about taking out the swing axle transmission. And then all of a sudden, he disconnects the shifter coupler and then ends up taking out the transmission, and then him and Pat end up cleaning it. Basically, as I'm editing, I just look for the dead spots. And the dead spots is kind of like the areas where you see no audio, basically, no talking. So what you do is you hit Command B on Mac at the beginning of that dead spot, and then you go to the end, and you hit Command B, you hit it once again, and then you hit Command X, and then you delete that section. So now,
swing axle refresh. Alright guys, I got this side off.
And then you hit Command B, then you go to the end of that portion, you hit Command B once again, Command X to delete it. I'll see what that sounds like.
Alright guys, I got this side off. I wanted to mention again, I'm gonna just lay that down. Alright, this was the set of gases. Alright, this was the set of gases I got off here. Remember, and we had 5. Yeah, 5 thick.
Currently at the moment, I am in college. I am going to be majoring in digital media technology web design specialization, which is an AS degree. I'm doing that all online right now at the moment, so I'm able to manage me doing YouTube and college at home, so which that's a good thing.
Could be 2. So you're just gonna have to judge it. It's gonna give you a little of an idea so you know where to go, and then like in this situation here, sure. You're not.
See, he does say a lot of ums and uhs and whatever. Of course, to clean whatever you're editing up, you of course want to get rid of that. So just hit Command B, Command X.
Put another one on. You're not gonna.
See, said U twice, so I'll get rid of that. Command X.
You're not gonna have the bearing in that over here. Have the bearing in that. Have the bearing over here.
See, just sounds more cleaner.
Feel it, open it back up, put another one on. You're not gonna have the bearing over here because you don't want to drive that on until you determine what
Sounds way cleaner.
kind of inplay you want here, so to speak. Alright, so that's where we're at. I've got to drive this bearing off.
For videos, I like making them quick and snappy. I feel it's more enjoyable to watch. I feel if it's just too long and drawn out, it's uninteresting in a sense. I mean, some people can do, real long drawn out videos, just one camera angle, no cuts. And sometimes it will just work depending on who they are and what they're doing in the video. But some people, it's just, that's it. And I like multiple angles. That's why, got the Canon here, and then I got the GoPro on my head. I could be using a screen capture to film this, but I just thought, you know what, let me do the old style YouTube, which is where you put a camera in front of the screen. So
You want here. computer, so to speak. Alright, so that's where we're at. I've got to drive.
But I think when you're making a video or you're making any type of content, multiple angles, multiple audio sources, so you can get different things out of it. For instance, with the Pee-wee video that I have, by the time you're watching this, it's already out, but the engine assembly and us picking up Pee-wee, in that video I did a bunch of different angles using the GoPro and the Canon T5, and I was using mostly the audio when my dad was speaking from the GoPro because it sounds better. It's a lapel mic and it's on his chest instead of the just onboard mic that is on the Canon, because I found out my mic that I bought didn't work.
And get these
and then he says,
and
I always usually get rid of those. Just makes for a smoother video. Sometimes I leave it in there because it's too close to other words.
off, should I say, and get these sandblasted today. Alright, blasted today. So you won't see any more of this until all this is sandblasted and painted. Oh, and painted.
And then now I'm at the end of that clip, so I'll just get rid of that last bit.
That's where we're at with this. That's where we're the throwout bearing. So that's where.
So now where I'll pick this clip up is, I'll just go here to import, and then that was clip 16. I've started numbering my clips. You know, I of course used to go by the GoPro numbers. So you got clip 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and so on. But I've started numbering, so it's just, you know, quick, easy, job to just hop in here and pick a different clip. Now, for instance, right here, you notice that I did mess up some numbering, unless I took. Okay, I think I know what I did. I numbered this from 16 to 19 because 17 and 18 were two clips of the engine that were used in the previous Pee-wee video. So, and I took those out and ended up renaming those. So that's why it's that. So let's go to 19 and then just drag that clip in here. Now let's see what we got so far.
And the throwout bearing. So I got my.
See, and then it just fits so well since I got rid of that portion, the ending of this clip. So now it says.
So I got my.
And it just runs well.
Bearings out of the axle tubes, and I wanted to show you something.
So now let's go back to here.
Shaft seal on and the throwout bearing. So I got my bearings out of the axle.
See, and it just runs perfectly.
Do not forget this spacer, because you're going to want to drop. You're going to want to.
You guys better not forget that spacer. Now, I didn't mention this. You probably saw me doing it earlier, but I'll take, my middle finger. You can use whatever finger, but take your arrow keys and you can go left and right with the select, I guess you could say, select bar, whatever you want to call it.
I have done this before and forgot this piece, and the actual all fit right. Fit right. You won't get it.
Now here's another tool you can use. You can hit Command and then hit Command left click on this clip too, and see how they're both highlighted. Now I can hit Command X and that will get rid of that.
So I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm going to clean these tubes up and get them ready to sandblast.
Now, since of course I don't have all the footage, I mean I do have more clips in here. You could clearly see when I was in that import section. I do have 6 more clips, of course, and even the last clip is not the ending of the refresh. We still have, a little bit more, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys, how I do an outro. So I'll take, this mic right here, the Mano, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's a good mic. I'll, leave a link down in the description, but basically it's a USB mic, plug it in there, and then I'll go to the mic option, and of course select this, go to USB mic, get off that. Now let's say I'm going to import the outro. So how I would do that is I would just go to YouTube stuff. Yep, there it is. Now I would just import that, and then I drag this right here. Now remember, this is not the actual outro to the video, but this is just for the sake of this video, showing you guys the process of how I edit these videos. So basically I click on this clip right here, then of course make sure, yep, it's on the USB mic, hit record. Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day. And that's how I would end it. So then, of course, if I'm going to chop this all up, you know, I'll take this, I'll drag it to where they snap together, which if you need to turn that on, you can just go to View on Mac and then turn on snapping, or hit Command in, and then you'll have snap. Now, I'm gonna trim this up, so Command B, and then Command X, slide that up so it snaps. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day. And then of course, you can't, you know, cut this without this outro fully down here, but you pull the outro all the way to the end, and then Command B, Command X, and then Command B, Command D, Command X. Of course, we'll pull it a little bit more to the right so it works. There, it's all lined up. Now hit Command B once, and then we'll take the fade out, or fade to black transition. We'll put that on the end, and then watch. This is what the outro would be like. Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day. Yeah, so that's how you guys basically edit a video. I mean, of course, this video will be pretty short, but it's just, you know, showing you guys an example of how I edit videos in the process. The main camera we use here on Just Buggin' is the Canon Rebel T5. I bought this camera with an 18-55mm lens and a 75 to 300mm lens. And you see I bought the Weebill S gimbal, which is a great purchase. It definitely improved the quality of all our YouTube videos, I think. And of course, the main camera that runs on this channel that you see most of the footage from back in the old days, it used to be from the GoPro Hero Plus. Now it's from the GoPro Hero 4 with the Movo GM100 lapel mic. The rest of the clips in this video are various clips over the past 8 or 9 months or so of my father and I doing these Just Buggin' videos. Most of these clips I recorded on my phone and I was posting on Instagram and Snapchat. It's on the beat! On the beat!
What was that?
What you doing?
Just bugging.
All right, come on.
Just a straight shot. So you want him, as he's passing by, for me to get him going that way? I'll get in front of him and you
Nothing like driving around in a classic vintage VW Beetle. These springs out and sandblast them, paint black, and then assemble them back. The parts should be here soon to replace these upper strut bearings. We had, of course, a generator on it last time. Ain't that pretty? Yeah, buddy. Chrome, chrome, chrome.
Why is everything chrome. Everything is chrome in the future.
He wanted chrome, he got chrome. Hey guys. Who put that log there? Oh, my soggy log soup. You got a smoke?
What kind of an idiot would lose a fresh pack of smokes, lighter, big f***ing piece of pepperoni?
We're just looking out for if there's any parts or anything on them.
It's not worth none.
Check it out, guys. Our article that was written by VW is in hot VWs, dune buggies and hot. I don't have to fabricate them. I'm just going to take this end piece and that muffler, sandblast all this, and repaint the ends and mate them to the other pieces I've already have. So we get to stay completely original on the 61. Hell yeah.
Sweet little pee-wee, sweet little pee-wee, 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 sweet little pee-wee.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys got a little gist of the process of how I make these videos, and so you guys can start making YouTube videos. If you guys like the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day.